Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are having an amazing day. If you are new here, my name is Neetu. I make videos on beauty and lifestyle. In today's video, we are going to talk about the products I regret buying. I believe that if we are talking about products which we enjoy, it is also important to let you know that which products didn't work for me. I also want to give a disclaimer that the products which might have not worked for me must have worked for you, and vice versa. So please do not feel bad if I am talking about any of your favorite product in this video. I am only sharing my experience with these products and I hope it will be helpful for you. Without any further delay, let's get right into the video. Let's start with some skincare products. This is the Biotic Honey Water Toner. This is how the bottle looks like. This is a favorite product of many of bloggers and influencers. That's the reason I decided to try this. This says that it is 100% botanical extracts, and it also says that it is organically pure and preservative free. The problem I faced with this toner is that it burns my skin a lot. I tried applying this with a cotton pad and with my fingers as well. Both times it burned my skin and it also broke me out. The next day I could see lot of bumps on my skin. I tried to use this for a couple of weeks, but then it didn't really work for me. I wouldn't highly recommend this. This is not an expensive product, it only retails for 175 rupees, but what is the point if you can't use it even if it is inexpensive? Let me know in the comment section below if this has worked for any of you guys. I would love to know your experience with this product. The next product is the Lotus Matte Gel Sunscreen. This is SPF 50 and PA++. This is also a cult favorite of many people. I decided to try this because it says normally to oily skin. This is a gel formula. I will show you the texture. This is how it looks like. It really blends in fast. It absorbs to the skin really fast. The problem with this product is that once you apply and like after half an hour, it will start pilling up. You can see like balls, small balls on your skin. So it is really weird. I don't know why it didn't work for me, but I tried using this many times, but every time it did the same thing. So I can't really use it. I am trying to use it up by using it on my body. This retails for 440 rupees and you get 100 grams. The next product is the biggest disappointment. This is the iNature lip polish. I had huge expectations when I got this product. I had seen some bloggers talk about this. This retails for 300 rupees. This doesn't do anything. The scrub in this is so tiny. This is how the product looks like. It's so tiny. It doesn't moisturize your lips. It doesn't remove the dry skin on your lips, and it is so messy and it will make your lips so sticky also. So that's why I wouldn't recommend this to anyone. It's just a waste of money. The next product is from the Body Shop. This is the Argan Oil Lip Balm. This is how the product looks like. This is quite an expensive lip balm. This is for like 695 rupees for 20 ml of product. I have used it for a couple of months, but later on I don't know what happened. This became like a sticky product. You can't apply this on your lips, then your lips will get stuck together. Wrong with the formula. I was really disappointed because till the time I used it, it was really good, it was really hydrating, but I couldn't use up the product, so I was really disappointed. The next product is a hand cream. This is the Face Shop hand cream, and this is the green tea variant. This is a gel like hand cream. I did not know that when I bought this. This retails for 300 rupees for 30 ml. It's not cheap, it's quite expensive, but the problem with this is that it gets absorbed so fast, and it doesn't hydrate the skin. It will make your hands dry really quickly. So I did not find it very useful, but I still managed to use it up. But I wouldn't recommend this. Go for a hand cream which is of a creamy texture, not a gel texture. So this was disappointing for me. The fragrance of this hand cream was really good. That is the only good part about this cream. The next two products are hair care products. This is the Palmer's Olive Oil Leave-In Conditioner. This is a conditioner in a spray forms. The problem with this conditioner is that firstly the fragrance is horrible. Even if you apply this on your hair, that bad fragrance really lasts for a long time. So it doesn't work for me that way. And the product is very okay product. It is not that great. It does hydrate, but it will weigh your hair down. So if you have like oily scalp, this won't work for you. If you have really dry and curly hair, maybe it will work for you, but the fragrance is still really bad. And this retails for 595 rupees, and it's a 250 ml bottle. It is not that expensive compared to the size of the bottle, but I can't use this because of the fragrance. The next product is a hair mask. This is the Good Vibes Argan Hair Food. This is how the bottle looks like. This is so bad. This is so thick. I will show you the product. This is how the product looks like. It is so thick. It will make your hair so oily, and it will not get absorbed properly. And even if you wash your hair with shampoo after applying this, it will not go away. I had to wash at least 3 times after using this product. I used this only once, and I did not use it anymore because of the formula of this product. So I wouldn't recommend this to anyone. This is not that expensive. It retails for only 315 rupees, which is quite inexpensive for a hair mask, but the product itself is not that great, so I wouldn't recommend this to anyone. I hope you all enjoyed the video, and I hope it was informative too. If you did enjoy the video, kindly hit the subscribe button and the notification bell right next to it. I will see you in my next one. Take care.